Let me show you how to get a true 90s lip using a lip pencil from MAC. Two shades here. I have Cork, which is this one, and I have Chestnut. You definitely want to go for a brown liner. Without a brown liner, it's not a true 90s lip. I'm going to go in with shade Cork. For my skin tone, I think it's going to be better. So I'm going to take it, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to outline my lips. Now, I remember being in school doing this and throwing a clear gloss. I'm going to smudge out the line just a little bit just to soften. So you have this where you can throw a clear gloss or you can fill in your lip, which is what I'm going to do. How pretty is that? Take a clear gloss. Take any gloss that you like. It just has to be a high shine. And there you have a nice 90s lip. Add some gold hoops and you're good to go.